today let's start with chapter number 13, the development of medical science. So in this chapter, I will tell you about how there was different medical instrument used, how was surgery done in the recent time. So let's study about the ancient time first. People used to think, पहले लोग ये सोचते थे कि जो डिजीज है इट वाज अ कॉज ऑफ इविल स्पिरिट, कुछ गलत चीज हो रही है उसका कॉज है. बट टू क्योर देम दे वर्शिप वेरियस फोर्सेस ऑफ नेचर एज गॉड एंड गॉडेस. और वो क्या करते थे, भगवान की पूजा करते थे. उनका एक मिथ था, राइट. So today with the development of medical science, we have developed various methods and instruments to identify a disease. We are much healthier than our ancestors. We have a large number of medicines and other medical facilities so that we can prevent different disease. और अब हम देखते हैं कि हम कितनी भी हार्श कंडीशन में पेशेंट क्यों ना हो, ये डिजीज उसको कोई ऐसी खतरनाक डिजीज क्यों ना हो, तब उसको भी क्योर कर सकते हैं, राइट. So we can say that many instruments have been developed in different parts of the world so that what you can do, you can control different disease. First is medical instruments. Let's study first, that is clinical thermometer. So it is used to measure the temperature of the human body. It was invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit in 1740. और जो clinical thermometer है, it is marked from 95 degree Fahrenheit to 100 degree Fahrenheit. A thermometer has a glass body with a thin glass tube. एक glass body होती है, इसके अंदर एक पतली सी glass tube होती है, and the bulb is filled with mercury. And the normal temperature कितना होता है body का? That is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit and 37 degree Celsius. When the body temperature goes above this, जब आपके इसके ऊपर चला जाता है तो आप क्या महसूस करते हो? You have a fever, कि आपको fever हो रहा है, right? So we can say that we get fever due to viral infection, जैसे आपको cold, cough, bacterial infection of the throat, and we may get fever because of stomach infection. देखो बहुतों को stomach infection हो जाता है, उससे भी fever हो जाता है, right? So let's next is stethoscope. Invention was inspired word from a child player Rani Lanis, a doctor on his way to the clinic. So he observed two children talking each other, holding two ends of a long tube log. The child was whispering and the other child could hear it's loud and clear and other. मतलब देखो क्या हो रहा था कि एक तरफ से बच्चा बोल रहा था, दूसरी तरफ जो साउंड था वो बिल्कुल क्लियर आ रहा था, लाउड भी आ रहा था, तेज भी आ रहा था और क्लियर भी आ रहा था. This gave him idea. He rolled a paper into a hollow tube and put it against the patient's chest. और he was surprised. कैसे सरप्राइज हुआ कि उसको जो आवाज थी हार्ट की वो क्लियरली दिख रही थी. हार्ट बीट की जो मूवमेंट होती है ना आपके, वो आपको साफ पता चलती है. In course of time, hollow tube came to be developed into stethoscope today. It enables doctor to check the patient heart and lungs and find out whether they are working as well as they should. Next is microscope. Microscope, it is an instrument that enables you to very small object. आप बड़े छोटे ऑब्जेक्ट को एक अच्छे बड़े ऑब्जेक्ट में देख सकते हैं, जिसको आप नेकेड आइट से नहीं देख सकते. The very first microscope were known as flea glasses, and what they were used to study tiny insects. Later जो इटालियन आपके एस्ट्रोनॉमर थे, फिजिस्ट थे, गैलियो, it works on his flea glass and perfected it. A Dutch optician named Jasarius Janssen, he invented a light microscope in 1590. A time passed, microscope was improved. It helped scientists. इसने साइंटिस्ट को हेल्प करा कि आप डिजीज कॉजिंग जर्म्स को आइडेंटिफाई करो, राइट. इट वॉज important invention and it helped to prevent many diseases. Now new age medical equipments. We have different medical equipments. So medical equipment is designed to aid diagnosis, monitoring and treatment of medical conditions. These medicine help to understand human body from the inside. हम अंदर से देख सकते हैं कि ह्यूमन बॉडी में क्या प्रॉब्लम है. So medical imaging machines as ultrasound, MRI machine, CT scanner, X-ray machine. It helps us to diagnose medical problem. So we can say that LASIK machine helps to do surgery in the eye. और जो लाइफ सपोर्ट इक्विपमेंट है, आपको देखें ना, जब इंसान बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार हो जाता है, एक लास्ट कंडीशन होता है, उसको वेंटिलेटर पे रखा जाता है या स्थैटिक मशीन्स पे रखा जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज सर्जरी एंड एंटीबायोटिक्स. सर्जरी जो होती है या ट्रांसप्लांट होता है, देयर आर डिजीज, देयर आर मेनी हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम, like many people they are taking transplant of the kidney. So we can say that the doctor who is qualified to do this is called surgeon, and surgery helps to people live long, right. We have damaged organ, उनको replace करा जाता है जैसे आपका किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट होता है, जिससे आपको पर्सन को लॉन्गेविटी देनी होती है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, दूसरे पर्सन की किडनी लेके उसमें ट्रांसप्लांट कर देते हैं. सो वी हैव एंटीबायोटिक्स. The human body can be attacked by various types of bacteria. In order to fight them, other group of bacteria is injected into the body. और ये जो group of bacteria होता है, ये help करता है human beings को to fight against disease causing bacteria. और उसके नाम क्या यूज करते हैं, antibiotics. So in 1928 जो Alexander Fleming थे, what he did, he introduced, he discovered antibiotic, first antibiotic, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, penicillin. He discovered this drug while conducting a research on bacteria. Many more antibiotics has been discovered that are used today so that you can cure many disease. Next is preventing of disease. हम disease को prevent करते हैं by vaccinations or by giving pasteurization or medicines. So first is vaccination. Edward Jenner, he was an English doctor and pioneer of smallpox vaccination ही लेके आए. इनको हम father of immunology कहते हैं. What do we call him? Father of immunology. And in 1796 he carried out an experiment on 8-year-old James Hibbs. He was inserted a cowpox pus into a boy arm, and he conducted an experiment on the basis of popular theory in this reason that milkmaids who suffered from cowpox, they never contracted smallpox. उनको कभी smallpox होता रहता. So smallpox is one of the greatest killer of that period. And with this experiment, Jenner proved that Phipps was immune to smallpox because he had inoculated with cowpox. उसको cowpox लगा दिया. And it was a vaccine. Today जो vaccination है, they are available everywhere. Like disease of cholera, tetanus, आपको इंजेक्शन लगता है अगर आपका चोट लग जाती है, टाइफाइड, सबके आपको इंजेक्शन मिलते हैं. पहले जब बच्चा छोटा होता है उसको वैक्सीनेट करा जाता है. Then we have pasteurization. जो French scientist Louis Pasteur थे, he found many germs that entered body through milk and water. So he further discovered that heat क्या करती है, उन germs को destroy करती है, and that caused disease. He said that milk and water when heated to certain temperature and then cooled, they become free from germs. और जो method होता है heating of milk and water to a certain temperature, on cooling them इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, pasteurization. Next is antiseptic. Joseph Lister, English surgeon है, he discovered antiseptic. He discovered that wounds could be protected from getting infected. अगर आप उसको कार्बोलिक एसिड से वॉश नहीं करोगे. Then we have sterilization. It is the process of killing or removing harmful germs from substance. It is not harmful to human body. और कुछ common methods जो हैं वो आपके heating, boiling, chemical treatment और pasteurization. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in next class. Thank you.